Good evening everyone. My name is Dr. Nisha Sawant, working as an assistant professor in Deccan College Postgraduate and Research Institute. Today we'll have a talk on cultural heritage management. And before to jump to the topic, let's discuss first what is heritage. Heritage in very simple word, it is nothing but the tangible and non-tangible aspects of human society, human culture, which we have inherited from generation to generation. And that's a very simple term. There are generally two types of heritage. One is natural and one is cultural heritage. Natural heritage is given by nature, such as many biodiversity projects, along with various reservoirs. These are nothing but the natural resources. And cultural resources, all the tangible and non-tangible aspects associated with the humans. For example, Taj Mahal, any folk dance, folk art are cultural heritage. So these are the certain examples of natural heritage, and these are the few sites which was declared as a heritage sites. Now what is cultural heritage? I will write to quote a definition given by ICOMOS in year 2002, which says cultural heritage is an expression of the ways of living developed by community and passed on from generation to generation, including customs, practices, places, objects, artistic expressions and values. Cultural heritage is often expressed as either intangible or tangible cultural heritage. Precisely, in very simple word, it is something given by our ancestors, and again a moral responsibility of our to give back to our next generations. A well-known definition of UNESCO: there are two types of heritage, tangible and non-tangible. Obviously tangible, which we can see, feel and share. Non-tangible, we cannot see and touch, such as dances, folk arts, myths, mythologies. Now what is cultural heritage management? It is nothing but managing cultural heritage. It is one of the branch of CRM, that is cultural resource management. The disciplines which falls under the cultural heritage management are museology, heritage conservation, archaeology, art and architecture, history. Cultural heritage serves in various ways, such as it helps to interpret the heritage. It also helps to increase the significance of its values. It also asks for its maintenance and preservations. What are the needs of CHM? It is nothing but it is a lesson for the future. It is also one of the problem solving method in policy and execution, and most importantly, the cycle of the culture changes, so our past is always our present. It is need new method and approaches in research can be led if heritage is preserved. Source of information to connect with past, assist to complete the history. Public presentation and representations. Less rate of interference and unbiased, unchangeable. In short, if our heritage is preserved as it is, then it will be a good source for our further research and also studies. because they are the standing evidences which is still intact, untouched, and will give you a very unbiased opinion about our past. Required for any nation to be one, bounded together. It boosts the concept of fraternity, ethnicity, integrity, nationality. Interestingly, major revolutions or major freedom movements of the world are actually backed, or rather, heritage were its backbone. Coming to the French Revolution, coming to the Russian Revolution, or even to that matter, Indian freedom of independence or the Indian War of Independence. All these revolutions are actually nothing but backed by the heritage. Heritage actually give a very strong point to fight for their ethnicity, their identity. It gives an identity to come to unite and fight for one common goal. It also helpful to synthesize all the data. Yes, scope of CHM, which area it covers? Obviously, museums are most important area. These are the various disciplines which works for the cultural heritage management. Museums, art and architecture, archaeology, anthropology, history, ethnography, ethnology, ethnohistory, geography, geology, conservations, restorations, and many such works. All these all these disciplines of the academics cannot go beyond without the help and appearance, without the help and assistance of the heritage. These are the few references for your further studies. I believe you will try to read more, and in next lecture you will try to ask me questions. Yeah. Thank you students for your kind and patient attendance. Thank you very much.